Very warm greetings to officers, brothers, sisters, and all my dear friends. It's me, Samip Khadka from Grade VIII A1 standing in front of you to present a short presentation on the topic of history of Earth. The Earth was formed 4.5 billion years ago in form of a cloud. That cloud included gases and dust. Gravity pulled that particles together to form a molten mass, and after it got cooled, it formed a solid crust and ocean. Geologists have divided the Earth history in 4 years. That 4 years are Median year, Archean year, Proterozoic year, and Paleozoic year. Median and Archean year, 4.5 billion years to 2.5 billion years ago. In all Median year, many volcanic activities used to happen in the Earth's crust, and oceans were formed in this year only. In Archean year, the first life was formed in the earth about 3.8 billion years ago, or eukaryotic bacteria were formed in oceans, and about 3.2 billion years ago, 3.2 billion years ago, algae was formed in ocean. Now let's move on to Proterozoic year. Proterozoic year lasted from 2.5 billion years ago to 570 million years ago. About 2.4 billion years ago, the great oxidation event occurred in which cyanobacteria start to produce oxygen in the process with help of the process of photosynthesis. It increased the oxygen level of atmosphere drastically, which helped in development of various multicellular organisms in the end of this era. Now let's move on to Paleozoic year. Paleozoic year lasted from 570 million years ago to now. It is still continuing. This year only covered 12% of total geological time scale, but it has a very vast history. Geologists have divided this year into three eras. They are Paleozoic era, Mesozoic era, and Cenozoic era. In Paleozoic era, reptiles, pisces, and amphibians developed. Plants like ferns will also develop in this era. In Mesozoic era, the development and extinction of dinosaurs occurred, and huge gymnosperm plants like coniferous pine also developed in this era. At last of Mesozoic era, small mammals and apes also developed. In Cenozoic era, the huge development of mammals and apes took place. Flowering plants also evolved in this era. Human beings were evolved in this era about 2 million years ago. And thanks for listening me till now. Thank you. Have a nice day.